There are many products available to choose coffee table, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best coffee table from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Choice Products Vintage Coffee Table. This vintage coffee table has a wood grain finish that adds warmth and natural charm to any living space. Its tapered legs and clean rectangular shape are typical of mid-century design. This makes it ideal for anybody looking to add a stylish yet nostalgic touch to their house. It has an open storage shelf which adds more practicality without compromising on style. It's a fine pick for anyone wishing to add a bit of aesthetic with storage to their living area in the form of a coffee table. Pros: holds weight well. Design includes storage space. Quick shipping. Cons: corners are not round. Number 2. SIMPLIHOME Vintage Coffee Table. This vintage coffee table is made completely of metal and has the strength and durability to survive regular use. Its big diameter makes it ideal for the living room or bedroom because it offers enough surface area for decor, drinks, or light snacks. The bronze finish adds a warm, rustic feel that blends seamlessly with various decors. Plus, its hammered texture gives it a handcrafted look that mass-produced items often lack. It also doesn't need any assembling, so it saves you the hassle of setup. Pros: solid metal construction, no need for assembling, easy to move around. Cons: hollow inside. Number 3. SAYGOER Vintage Coffee Table. This vintage coffee table is small and oval-shaped. Its form is classic and simple, just like mid-century modern furniture. This table looks warm and natural thanks to the walnut oak finish, and its oval shape adds a softer touch. The compact size makes it ideal for apartments or as an accent piece, rather than a central coffee table in a large living room. It's a fine addition to any living space that needs a subtle, stylish accent. Pros: available in multiple colors, budget-friendly. 3. Minimalist design. Cons: 1. Top surface can be scratched easily. Number 4. Safavieh Vintage Coffee Table. This vintage coffee table goes well with country, coastal, or traditional decor styles. Unlike the other tables on the list, this one values style and ease over extra features, and it focuses on design rather than extra storage. It's made of pine wood, which makes it strong and durable, so it will last for years to come. It has a more rustic, lived-in look that fits in with traditional homes. It stands out for its ability to add warmth and character without overwhelming the space. Pros: 1. Made from real wood. 2. Matches various styles. 3. No need for additional tools. Cons: 1. Uneven assembly can lead to slight wobbling. Number 5. DS-HOMEPORT Vintage Coffee Table. This vintage coffee table has a circular tabletop that is roomy enough to hold daily necessities, serve coffee, or showcase decorative things. It has gold metal legs that provide both stability and a luxurious feel. It's great for people who want to add a touch of class without making the room look too fancy. Its small size and round shape make it suitable for places that aren't very big. This makes it easy to move around and set up in different ways. Pros: 1. Includes an Allen wrench for assembly. 2. Additional shelf at the bottom. 3. Well packaged. Cons: 1. Particle board construction. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.